Hi guys, it's Kana. 皆さんこんにちは、Kanamite です。I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do on my day off today. Let's get started. I usually wake up around 10 to 11 a.m. on my day off. And I grab some breakfast. Today, I'm gonna eat oats. I love oats because I'm so lazy and it takes only 2 to 3 minutes. All you need is just some milk and oats and a bowl. That's it. The first thing I do is to drink some coffee in the morning. So when I have breakfast, I want to drink something else like tea. So this is not flavored oats, so I just put some sugar and just mix it. I usually read a book on my day off in the backyard or in my room and stuff. The book I've been reading is Silent Patient. It's really good. I'm not gonna spoil it, so yeah, you gotta read it. While I'm reading a book, I try to learn new vocabulary, so I just underline the words I've never met before and I just search the meaning later. I usually go for a walk, and on that day I went for a walk to the beach. It was beautiful. It took me only 10 minutes to go to the beach. I usually try to do some exercise on my day off because I've been staying home due to the coronavirus. On that day, I couldn't be bothered cooking, so I made some ramen. This is my favorite time on my day off. I got this ice cream from Coles for about $3, and you can taste these 3 flavors: chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. This ice cream is amazing. It's so cheap. It has 3 flavors. Oh. So that was my day of routine. I usually chill out in my room or in the backyard. Yes. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys soon. Bye bye.